Okay, good morning, children. Today we will do practice book only. We will do chapter 1. Last class I did till worksheet 7.
Yes, ma'am. Worksheet 7.
And I gave you homework worksheet 3. So let's check worksheet 3. Priya Raj, yes, worksheet 3. Let's check the answer. Let's check the answer of worksheet 3. Priya Raj, ask your brother not to disturb you. Priya Raj, yes. अपने भाई को बोलिए डिस्टर्ब नहीं करेगा. Yes, let's check worksheet 3. Please check your answers. Now you had to either write a, at, or put a symbol, which means that no article is required. Now children, here you only have to write a and an, not the. That is definite article you don't have to write. Only indefinite article. Okay, so keep your pencil in your hand so that if you have written the wrong answer, you can check it. Okay, there was an emergency, so we had to rush. He got his higher education at a university. A university, why? Because although it is starting with U, but the sound is not vowel sound, it is consonant sound. U, year sound is coming. That is why a university. Hina thought it would be a good idea to join a union. Again, the same thing. A union. Why? Because year sound is coming. We are looking for an accommodation. And give these children an inch. And they will take a yard. A yard.
Good morning, ma'am.
Will you buy me a loaf of bread on your way back? A loaf. He muttered, courage. Here you will put a symbol because you don't put any article before courage.
मैम सिक्स्थ का क्या हुआ?
इसमें a loaf.
मैम आपने 7th का 5th का क्या बोला?
The boy gave me a 1 rupee coin. A 1 rupee. Why? Because although it is written with O, but still the sound is consonant sound.
मैम सेवेंथ का? मैम सेवेंथ
हम नहीं बताएंगे. I have told you. If you want
मैम
to see
सेवेंथ
the
का
answer,
बताइए ना.
you
Ma'am,
open the
symbol.
video and see it.
मैम सेवेंथ का सिंपल होगा.
A man of wisdom. Now here you will put a symbol. A man of symbol wisdom lives in a fort 2 kilometers from here.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Sarah, ma'am, right here.
Before wisdom, you will put the symbol. Otherwise, both the blanks will have a. Now let's proceed. Now worksheet 8, children. Worksheet 8. You will do for homework. Why? Because this is a story, a short story. You have to arrange them in order. Now, what can happen first? What will happen next? What will happen after that? You have to write it in the form of a story. First, you can number it. Like it's 13 sentences are there. You can number them. Which will come first? Then what will come second? Can anyone tell me which will come first? After reading all those 13 sentences, which sentence will come first?
Ma'am, fifth number.
Fifth number. Very good. A mouse lived in woods near our house. After that,
Ma'am,
one day the mouse strayed
mouse
into
stayed
our
into
garden.
our garden.
Now you know how to do it?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Then what will you do after this? After this,
Ma'am, our cat was chasing mice. Ma'am, fourth number.
Ma'am, what's it? 8
tiger,
homework.
our cat, loved chasing mice. Okay,
Mice,
after
yes,
that,
ma'am. Ma'am, sixth number. Ma'am, he saw the mouse, he thought it was an opportunity. He saw the mouse, he thought it was an opportunity not to be missed. Yes,
when he saw the mouse, he thought it was an opportunity not to be missed. Okay, then
ma'am, tiger pretend to be sleeping in the shade of a tall tree in the center of garden.
okay, then
The mouse came closer and closer.
very good.
Ma'am, worksheet 8 homework है.
Then
Tiger not up and stalked the mouse.
then
The mouse hide under the foliage in the garden.
yes. Now, children, you can use articles or you can change the language if there is a need. Okay, it is not necessary that exactly same way you will copy down the sentence. You can change the language because you have to write the story here in a paragraph. So you should know how to do it. Okay. Then what will happen? The mouse hid under the foliage in garden. Then
The tiger slunk behind the bushes.
okay. Then
Tiger was about to pounce on the mouse.
then
I shouted, "No, tiger, no."
okay.
Tiger looked disgusted went back to
Disgusted
the
and
place.
went back to the place that
Yes,
was
to the
favorite.
his favorite.
Okay. Now you will be doing this for homework. You will not write just now. Now worksheet 9. Now one thing, children, you must have seen when you write any sentence which is in direct speech. What do you do, children? You put them within inverted commas, isn't it?
Yes,
Direct
ma'am.
speech is always written within inverted comma. Or when you are speaking dialogue is going on between two people, then too you write them the direct speech in inverted comma. Same thing has been done here. Papa, a sweet for me. Now because this is direct speech, it is within inverted comma. See, before Papa there is inverted comma. After me there is a comma and then the inverted comma close. The little one would ask full stop. You will only have a kick. Again, same way, inverted commas. Then how you shout at the little child. What does he know? Now, all this will go within inverted commas. Now, let's do the exercise. You should go to bed now, the matron said. Who will tell me where is the direct speech?
मैम यू से स्टार्ट होगा और नाउ पे क्लोज हो जाएगा.
Very good. Yes, very good. Now, children, you should go to bed now after that comma. And this whole thing will go within inverted commas. Very good. Priya Raj, yes, I can see you are writing. Very good, Priya. Now, next one. There lives a beautiful white cat in this house. Again, after house, there is a comma. And this whole section will go with an inverted commas. After Andy, there will be full stop. Same way, after matron said also there is a full stop. So if you are writing the sentence, Aprajita, you are not writing?
Ma'am, I am right.
Writing?
No,
Okay, good. Shalu Patel also. Yes, Sangam, I can see. I can see all of them are writing very good. Good. Natik also. Ananya also writing very good. Okay, next one. Are you practicing for the match next week? Now, are you practicing for the match? This is a question. So, after next week, after week, you will put a question mark. After week, you will put a question mark. And this whole thing will go within inverted commas. And after mother, you will put a full stop.
पानी एकदम ना पीती हो पियो ता
हमार कितनी है?
हैं
हमार कितनी है ना?
हाँ
Are you practicing for the match next week? Question mark, and this whole section will go with an inverted commas. Okay, and the last sentence, who has put so many frogs in my room? Again, this is a question. So after room, there will be a question mark. And this whole thing will go with an inverted commas. After wells, you will put a full stop. Have you completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
No, ma'am. Can you please wait
No,
some
ma'am.
time only?
Yes, complete your work.
Ma'am, I have completed what's it? Ma'am, I have completed.
Okay. Okay. Next one, worksheet 10. Worksheet 10.
also completed.
Now, this is a poem. Now, they have done some of the sentences. They have put the inverted commas, but some of the sentences they have not put. So in the beginning they have put, have you been down to the park? Question mark, inverted comma, close. They have done it. Asked a boy whose dog was called Mark. You will get such a scare when you see what is there. Now you will get such a scare when you are there. Again, this is within inverted commas. I was shocked, said Mark with the bark. Again, this is also done. Now, next one, they have moved all my favorite things. Now, they have moved all my favorite thing will come within inverted commas. Put inverted commas.
Ma'am, they moved all my favorite things तक हो गया था.
Yes, done it. Next one.
Yes, ma'am.
Right, the girl. They have platted the side. Again, this will also go within inverted commas. Yelled a boy at her side, full stop. And they have even got rid of the swing. This will also go within inverted commas. You will start from and write till next. Till next, you will put inverted comma close near next. And they have even got rid of the swings. I wonder what will come next. Till here. Said the young man in a red vest. Well, I'd like a pool. Again, this will be within inverted comma. Said his friend, very cool, full stop. Yes, please. Yes, please. This will be within inverted comma. Then again, well, could it be our houses? This will also be within inverted comma. Or a long row of shop. This will also be within inverted comma. I know what it will be. This will also be within inverted comma. And last sentence will also be within inverted comma. Next one, do it yourself. Do it yourself. Now fill in the blanks by writing the appropriate article in each space provided. And where article is not required, you will put that symbol. Now, a young scientist called Frankston started trying to create that life. He used, now before electricity, do you use anything? No.
Symbol. Ma'am,
No,
symbol.
yes. He used electricity to do this. After an year of struggle, he succeeded. An year. Why did I write an? Because Y is silent. Y is silent. But he created a monster. He created a monster. I have already talked about the monster. So next sentence, it will be the monster. The monster was very large and ugly. People hated and feared him. Full stop. The monster wanted love.
Yes,
But
ma'am.
he learned
Yes,
to
ma'am.
hate. Then one day he killed a boy. Killed a boy. Frankston was in a state of shock. A state. Akansha, are you writing? Akansha, show me a book and pencil. Akansha Kumari, show me your book and pencil.
Ma'am, I have not book.
You don't have the book?
No, ma'am.
Then how are you doing? Do you have the PDF?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Okay. Now next one. He realized it was an error. An error to have created such a creature. A creature. He regretted having wasted his time over dash. What will you use? Over
Ma'am,
a,
ma'am, and
or an.
Oh. Ma'am, and. Ma'am,
and
Over
Ma'am,
a useful. Useless. Now useless because the sound is consonant sound. Yeah, you useless. That is why Done?
Ma'am,
Have all of
what
you
is before
completed?
have created such?
Huh? He created such a creature.
Yes. Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, now next question is rearrange the jumbled words into meaningful sentences. Yes, into meaningful sentences. Now the first one they have done. Interesting. Ours family was an. Ours was an interesting family.
Ma'am, Ravi
Can anyone
and
do the
so.
next one? You
yes,
have
ma'am.
to raise your
Swasti
hand.
Raj.
Raise your hand if you
can I-
want to answer. Don't shout. Raise your hand. If you want to answer, raise your hand. Yes, Sangam.
Yes, ma'am. Linda. Ma'am, Ravi and so eldest was the favorite family of.
No. That is not correct. Yes, Swasti Raj.
Yes, ma'am. Ravi was the eldest and so the favorite of a family.
Very good. Ravi, mark number 1 कर दीजिए या तो आप सेंटेंस ही लिख दीजिए पूरा या नंबरिंग कर दीजिए. Ravi was the eldest and so a favorite of the family.
Ma'am, can you
was
repeat
ma'am,
the
can you
eldest
repeat? Ma'am,
and
can you
Ravi
repeat?
was the eldest and so a favorite of the family. Next one. Years than him, Nina, a 6 and younger half was. Who will give this?
Ma'am, please repeat.
Ma'am, can I say Swasti?
Yes, Swasti.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
Nina was 6.5 years younger than him.
Very good. Nina was 6.5 years younger than him. Nina was 6.5 years younger than him. Next one. Okay, next one. Who was Sonal Big Bully? Second born was the. Yes, who would like to try?
Ma'am, may I Siddhant?
Ma'am, may I?
Siddhant,
Ma'am,
okay.
ma'am, can I?
Siddhant, let Siddhant answer.
Who was the big bully? Who was the Sonal big bully second born?
No.
Ma'am, can I say Swasti?
Swasti, let others also try.
Ma'am, can
Let
I
others
say?
also try. Who else wants to try? Shalu Patel.
Ma'am.
Shalu
Yes,
Patel.
ma'am.
Yes.
Shonal, who was the second son, was a big bully.
Yes. Sonal, who was a second born, was sorry. Who was the second born? Was a big bully.
Yes, ma'am.
Sonal, who was the second born, was a big bully.
Ma'am, ये नहीं होता.
Ma'am,
Sonal
please
was
repeat.
big bully was the second born.
Huh?
Sonal, who was a big bully,
Both are
was the
correct. Both
second
are
born.
correct. That is also Sonal, who was a second born, was the second born, was a big bully. Or you can write Sonal, who was a big bully, was the second born. Both way it is correct. Now the last one.
चिप्स खाते हुए जिम में एंटर करने की कोशिश कर रही थी, लेकिन जिम ट्रेनर ने उसको रोक दिया कि देखिए, नो फूड और ड्रिंक अलाउड इन द जिम। और उसी वक्त एक ब्लू जैकेट वाली लड़की जो है वो आती है और देखती है कि सामने वाली लड़की के काफी सारे
शिवम राज,
ट्रिगर्ड इंसान देख रहे हो ना?
शिवम राज,
लेकिन
मैम इन क्लास के समय ट्रिगर्ड इंसान
चली जाती है और मेल्टेड डार्क चॉकलेट उसने ली यहाँ पे, जिससे अब वो
Shivam Raj, you
मेल्टेड
you
डार्क
will
चॉकलेट से
not be able to attend the class.
ऑब्वियसली अब उसके पास कोई खाना
मैम,
नहीं है, लेकिन
रिमूव हिम मैम।
टैटूज देख के
Yes,
उसको
yes.
आइडिया है कि मैं मेल्टेड चॉकलेट पे टैटूज बना लूं। क्योंकि उसके पास कोई खाना थोड़ी ना है।
प्लीज म्यूट योरसेल्फ. क्लास के बाद ट्रिगर्ड इंसान का वीडियो देख लेना.
मैम सब क्लास ओपन करके वीडियो देख रहे यूट्यूब पर.
Okay, next, last one. But Nina, girl, intelligent, common sense. Sonal was, and without a boy was.
Ma'am, can I say something? Ma'am,
Yes,
can I say
Sangam.
Swasti?
Yes, Sangam.
Nina was an intelligent girl, but Sonal a boy was a common sense.
Yes, very good. Yes, Swasti, you want to repeat?
Yes, ma'am.
Repeat.
Nina was an intelligent girl, but Sonal was a boy without common sense.
Very good. Nina was an intelligent girl, but Sonal was a boy without common sense.
Ma'am, please repeat.
Nina was an intelligent girl, but Sonal was a boy without common sense.
Completed.
Okay, now children, with this first chapter is complete. Now next class we will be doing reader. Okay, next class we will be doing reader, and after that we will after completing the first unit of reader, we will again switch over to chapter 2 of practice book. Why? Because children, in April we were supposed to do chapter 1 of practice, chapter 1 and 2 of literature, and 1 unit of reader. but we could not do reader. So now we will be doing reader first, and then we will do chapter 2. That is the syllabus for May in this month. Okay. So first we will do, next class you will come with your reader book. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
Then one thing I would like to tell you, children, in your copy number 2, you will be writing the diary entry. In literature copy you have done in chapter 1, diary entry. That same
Yes,
diary entry you will copy down in your copy number 2. And on top you will write diary entry. That means what work is to be done in writing section, that I am telling you.
Ma'am, how
Ma'am,
many
ma'am,
copy we
chapter
have
two
to make to your subject?
Only 2 copies. Children,
First one is
co-
English literature and second one is
that is a mixed copy where all the work which is assigned to you will be done. Whatever work
Okay,
I will
ma'am.
assign you, that you will do. And in literature copy you will do only work from the literature book.
Excuse
Whatever
me, ma'am.
work is given, exercises or question answer, whatever is given in the literature book, that work will be in literature copy. Now because we have to do diary entry, and you have already done in literature copy, so you will copy it in your copy number 2. And on top what will you write? Diary entry. Yes. Now after diary entry, children, you also have to do writing skill,
मैम
children.
देखिए देव
The
नाम का
syllabus
लड़का
for
आ गया है
writing
मैम,
skill
वही
I'm talking
पूछ रहा है
about.
बार बार।
After diary entry, you have to do advertisement. Now, advertisement, in that copy only, children, in that copy only, you will do first page, you will do diary entry. Then on the next page, you will make an advertisement. Now, the topic for advertisement is toothpaste. Toothpaste, one topic is toothpaste and the other topic is cold drink. So 2 advertisements you have to make, one for the toothpaste and the other for the cold drink. Now no Hindi word should be used. Only in English you will be writing.
Okay, ma'am.
Now when you make an advertisement, what do? Either you draw a picture of the product, you have to draw the picture of the product, or you can cut it out and paste it, paste a picture of that product. Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Either you
We have
paste
to
it
make it
or
in
you
our
draw it.
copy, ma'am.
Okay, second copy में करनी है।
कॉपी में ही करना है, सेकंड कॉपी में।
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
जैसे ये कॉपी का पेज होता है ना, इसमें फुल पेज का एडवर्टाइजमेंट बनेगा, फुल पेज। Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Then you will be writing about the product. Now you are using toothpaste. First of all, you have to name your give a name to the product. कोई भी नाम देंगे आप, कोलगेट और ये सब नहीं देंगे, पेप्सोडेंट एंड कोलगेट नहीं देंगे, आप अपना नाम दीजिए।
Okay, ma'am.
अपना नाम देंगे
आप
मैम।
कुछ भी दे सकते हैं, शाइन
रीडर
स्टार, anything, you can give any name.
Copyright.
Then you will be writing about the product. You will
Ma'am, दोनों
describe the
topic
product.
पे,
हाँ
दोनों topic पे, ma'am.
हाँ, दोनों टॉपिक पे आपको एडवर्टाइजमेंट बनाना है।
Okay, ma'am.
And this I will ask you in the end of the week. आपको 2 दिन का,
Toothpaste and cold drink.
yes,
Both.
toothpaste and cold drink.
मैम विद द पिक्चर।
हाँ, with the picture.
ओके मैम कॉपी दो ही ना बनाना है लिटरेचर और रीडर का।
What are you asking?
मैम रीडर का भी कॉपी बनाना है ना?
नहीं, रीडर का कॉपी नहीं बनाना है, बस only 2 copies. Only 2 copies.
Ma'am, One literature copy and one mixed copy.
Yes, one mixed copy. That will be copy number 2. Whenever I say that this work will go in copy number 2, you will write in that. Acha, one more thing I would like to tell you.
Yes, ma'am.
Children, we will have a recitation competition. Recitation का मतलब है poem recite करनी है आपको. कोई भी poem आप याद कर लीजिए, and those who are interested will recite.
Ma'am, when?
अभी हम बताएंगे आपको बताएंगे, अभी नहीं कर रहे हैं, but I will let you know when I will
Ma'am,
organize
related
this.
to topic.
कोई भी poem याद करिए, poem recitation.
Okay, ma'am.
और कम से कम वो ना 3 to 4 पैराग्राफ की होनी चाहिए. 3 to 4 stanza.
पैराग्राफ मैम.
Stanza. That means 8 लाइन की, कम से कम 8 लाइन की हो या 10
मैम
लाइन की हो.
एक पैरा 4 लाइन.
हाँ, 4 लाइन. तो 10 लाइन 12 लाइन ऐसे कुछ होनी चाहिए. छोटी सी नहीं होगी. 4 लाइन की पोएम नहीं बोलनी है आपको.
मैम 12
At least 10 to 12 lines at least.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
for homework you will be doing advertisement. Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
If you have missed anything in this class, children, you are unable to write, you can open the video and you will get all the answers. Yes. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Any other query?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Anything you want to ask?